Elliottwave forecast video day. My name is Eric. Today is the 2nd of June, around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Times, and we're gonna go ahead with a very interesting video for all the followers and traders around the world. Today we're gonna cover the topic of the high frequency trading. As everybody knows, the Elliott Wave Theory, it was developed back in 1930s by Mr. Elliott. And since then, the market has and technology has become part of our life. Of course, it doesn't take a genius to figure out that that computers play a role in today's market. You guys probably have seen us around the internet, around the world, social media, everywhere, and have seen this that we always present members with the blue boxes area, like it is in this video, these blue boxes. How do we come into the blue box? We do around 100,000 charts per year in Elliott Wave forecast. We cover 78 instruments, so divided in 3 groups of 26, and we do several updates per day. With the years, we noticed that there were patterns, that there were areas when a corrective patterns always ends, either an ABC or a WXY. Usually they ends around the areas. And we notice, understanding the nature of the market, we notice that those areas happens after a sequence ends or it is created. So before we go into the charts, I want to explain what is the sequence. The market moves either in an impulse manner or in a corrective manner. When the market moves in an impulse way, it moves in 3, 7, and 11. When the market moves, in an impulse, 5, 9, 13. And when it is corrective, it bought or sell in 3, 7, and 11. So we identify the right side using the sequence of 5, 9, 13. When an incomplete sequence happens, in other words, when we are in swing number 7 or number 11 or number 12, then we buy or sell the market. So that system have created tremendous result for us, and it is when you see that we present those blue boxes, like for example, this is Gore, like we present right there the Gore buying blue box area here, and on and on and on. So eventually, now let's take a look at a chart, right? So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna show the 5 weeks advance. This is the 5 weeks advance on the Elliott Wave Theory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The market put back, and this wave 1 breaks the previous high. For us, that's a sequence. So we start identify the right side, and then we buy a lesser degree 3 weeks back using Fibonacci extension, right? So that's a system that is the same. We do it this way, and we create this system after observing over the years, like I say, doing around 100,000 charts per year, that it was too precisely. It was very reliable overall. And we say who else can be bumping money into the market 24/7, technically 24/6, and we say to ourselves, it is impossible that humans, that we, a regular trader, that it put money into the market, that the order get processed and the market move. So we say, who is doing that? And it's nobody else than the high frequency trading machines, that they're trading in milliseconds, in microseconds, and the market keep moving in and out constantly, entering and exit the market in these specific areas, which is the blue boxes that we represent, which is a combination of a sequence 5, 6, a 7. You buy the A, that's a sequence, a combination or a correct structure be bought at 100% and supported by the sequence, and also a pivot system that validate the buy here. Because in order to buy here, you need to expect continuation higher. So this level, which is the one that you're trading against, needs to hold. So we create this system, sequence, Fibonacci extension, and the pivot system. Over the years, this system has created tremendous results for us. And I'm going to give you several examples now from the past and in the present of this sequence in Elliott Wave forecast. So we're going to start here with the chart of gold. This is gold back on September 22nd. Look at the blue box here. We were buying right here. And I'll be honest with you, the labels doesn't matter that much. We were buying here because of one reason, because the right side is bullish. Why the right side is bullish? It's green. Why? Because at that stage, this high have already trade over the peak of 2011 in gold. So we were buying here around 1668, and this is with a risk around 1400. Where we're looking at the ecolex from the all-time lows that it was around 3000. When we look at the charts today in gold, this is the charts in gold. This is the 2020, the 2022, the 1668, and look, the amazing reaction higher from the perfect entry. Why? Because like I say, at that stage, this height here, it was higher than in 2011. So when we get back to the chart here, we were over here in gold at that stage. What happens? Boom, the market rally and gave us this amazing advance in gold, just because we understand how to trade the market nature, the market sequence, and when to enter the market with a precise area. Another one is Microsoft. It comes early of February with the liberation day across the market, right? Microsoft comes and sell, right? And then it reached the blue box area. Many of you guys think why the market is bounced so precisely around April the 7th. Why? Why is bouncing around April the 7th? There is only one reason. It's bouncing because at that stage, Microsoft reached the ecolex right here. This is the chart right here. This is the chart of Microsoft back on early April. You can see right there how we are already calling it higher. And look at the charts of Microsoft right now. Look at the reaction of Microsoft. Let me downgrade it, and you're going to see it right there on the daily charts. So you see the same range, right? In other words, you go here, and you see Microsoft coming out of the blue box area in a this chart right here is identical to the chart over here. Microsoft went into the box and boom, Microsoft rallied. Why? Because computers, they were waiting for that area around 355. Also, in relationship to Microsoft, if we go to the weekly chart on Microsoft, here we can see from the all-time lows, you have a cycle, a pullback, another cycle. It is 3 weeks with a trend. You get back to Elliott Wave. Right here, Microsoft was here, at least. You have to buy. Now, shorter cycles, or more recently, this is the chart of Gore again. This is the chart of Gore again back on May 13 of 2025. Look, we were looking to buy Gore at 31.36. That's when our members knew to enter Gore. It's a bullet sequence. The right side is green, and the area with a risk, a very well-defined risk. Look at Gore today. What Gore did, Gore went, touched the area, almost to the peak, right there, very precisely, and gold is trading already almost $70 to the upside. Another one, this is the dollar yen. Look at the dollar yen on May the 12th. We were looking to sell the dollar yen. Look at the right side, green, red. The right side is located by the sequence. Right? It's telling me sell. We don't like buying. And we say you're going to sell the dollar yen at 148.41 with the risk at 151.22. Look at the chart of the dollar yen as we speak. It reached the area and reacted high, lower. It's fantastic. How we came out with this, we developed the system of sequences, we developed the pivot system, and we used the famous Fibonacci extension and retracement in order to enter the market and locate the box. No question, this cannot be done by an individual. This cannot be done by a group of people. This is done so precisely by machines, which, like programming, they have a trigger. The wave, they have a trigger. 2020 peak in Gore is higher than 2011. They're gonna buy the next pullback. Microsoft is showing 3 weeks to new highs. They're going to buy the next pullback. The right side in Gore is bullish. They're going to buy 3. And if it fails, they're going to buy 7 again. Because overall, it's 3-way in the weekly chart. It's a system that we developed. It's called the Bluebox right side system. It works. It has produced over 65% return year after year for the last few years. And it's something that makes life easier to our members because they don't need stress. No fundamental, nothing. Back in April, the world was coming to the end. We were buying Microsoft. And that's the way we trade. So that's the Bluebox system. And that's why the high frequency trader, what we have done is merge the Elliott Wave Theory, get the sequence out of the theory, and add the way computers trade in 2025. It's a different way to apply Elliott Wave than what most of you guys are used to do it from the books and the theory that was developed by Mr. Elliott in 1930s. Cars of today are not the same cars of 1930s. Planes of today's is not the same planes of 1950, right? Television today's are not the same televisions and 2000. So the Elliott Wave Theory application needs to change. That's what Elliott Wave Forecast has done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now we have an offer, which is the 14-day trial for just 99 cents. Join us and enjoy this beautiful system. Have a good day, everyone.